All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with cash on Uber Eats, guys. Actually, really easy and simple. So, first things first, guys, what you want to do is you want to open up Uber Eats on either your phone or your tablet. Okay, this looks like the Uber Eats logo with a green background. Or if you're doing in the new update, you will have a black background. And first things first, I want to mention that you cannot use this pay with cash in every country, right? This payment with cash option for Uber Eats actually available in countries like Brazil, Egypt, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Peru, and South Africa. And Uber Eats might, they may actually roll out this feature in other locations, and you can actually check that out in their website, see if they have done that. Now, if you haven't logged in already, you'll actually be prompted to either register or log in with your Uber account, okay? Next, once you open up the app, you'll actually need to tap on a restaurant you want to order from, right? So when you open the app, you'll be presented with thumbnails of the restaurants near you that actually offer Uber Eats delivery. You can browse, the separate areas here, such as the zero delivery fees or, special offers. You can actually change the delivery address, guys, if it's different from what's displayed on the arrow next to the address at the top of your screen. And you can also do pickup, right? You can do pickup option as well. You will not be charged a delivery fee. So once you choose a restaurant, you need to add food to your order. So you'll be seeing your menu and you can browse through the food selection. For example, chicken tikka curry masala, and then you can tap on the menu items and add the different menu items. And if you want, you can actually make a few more choices like toppings or sides before you tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the page to add the item to your cart. Remember, guys, you can only have items from one restaurant in your cart at a time. For example, you cannot have an order from Burger King and an order from McDonald's. So what you want to do next, guys, is when you're ready, okay, when you're ready to order, you can tap View Card. Okay, you will actually see this pop up at the bottom of the screen when you have something in your cart. What you want to do next, guys, is you want to tap on your current payment method. For example, if you have PayPal as your current payment method, or you have a credit card that you had as your current payment method, what you want to do is tap on this and change it. Okay, you can change and choose pay to cash if it is available in your area. So once you click on change, you will see this option. If this is actually available in your area, what you're going to see is cash option would show up. If not, if cash option is not a payment that shows up, then this option will not appear and you cannot pay with cash. But if it appears, guys, all you need to do is click on the cash option and then you just want to click on place order to confirm. Basically, you're going to get a confirmation email that the order has actually been placed, guys, and you'll be able to track your food's delivery progress every time you actually check the app. And when the driver arrives, guys, you can just pay them with cash. And as well, guys, you can also just tip them in cash as well. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below if you still have any